Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. The American economy is heavily dependent on consumer spending. In fact, consumer spending accounts for roughly 70% of the country's gross domestic product, or GDP. Despite high interest rates and inflationary challenges, consumer spending remains resilient. Moreover, interest rates are set to start coming down, and it looks like the US will avoid a long-promised recession. All of this bodes well for the US economy and companies that keep the US economy chugging along, like CrossAmerica Partners LP. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol CAPL. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, CrossAmerica Partners is a leading U.S. wholesale distributor of fuels, operator convenience stores, and owner and lessee of real estate used in the retail distribution of motor fuels. Now, with a geographic footprint that spans 34 U.S. states, CrossAmerica Partners distributes branded and unbranded petroleum for motor vehicles to over 1,800 locations. Now, in 2023, CrossAmerica distributed more than 1 billion gallons of fuel. It also operates 7 convenience stores, more than 250 locations across 10 states, primarily in the eastern U.S. Here you can find essentials, car washes. Some locations are also paired with national brands such as Arby's and Dunkin' and Subway. As on the petroleum front, partnership has well-established relationships with major oil companies like Exxon, BP, Shell, and Marathon.
I was reading at incomeinvestors.com that the company's financial performance improved significantly on sequential basis.
Yeah, absolutely. The company reported second quarter net income of $12.4 million or 31 cents per share. Now that was down a little bit from $14.5 million or 36 cents per share in the same period last year, but up significantly from a loss of $17.5 million or loss of 48 cents per share in the first quarter of 2024. The company recorded second quarter adjusted EBITDA of $42.6 million. Now that's up slightly from $42.4 million in the same period last year, but up 81% over the $23.5 million recorded in the first quarter of 2023. And finally, CrossAmerica reported distributable cash flow of $26.1 million. Again, down slightly from $30.4 million in the second quarter of 2023, but more than double the $11.7 million in the first quarter of 2024.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. There we're offering a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And John, what does its dividend look like?
Well, thanks to stable cash flow from real estate rental income and motor fuel distribution, CrossAmerica is able to provide income investors with a reliable high-yield dividend. Most recently, in July, it declared a dividend of 52.5 cents per share, or $2.10 on an annual basis. That works out to a forward dividend yield of 10.2%. That distribution is safe too. The company targets a coverage ratio of 1.2 times. Its coverage ratio for the trailing 12 months ended June 30th, 2024 was 1.32 times.
And what can you tell us about CAPL stock?
As for CAPL stock, it's actually rebounding after being crushed in May following weaker than expected first quarter results. Before, though, reporting first quarter results in May, CAPL stock was actually trading near record levels. Now, as of this recording, CAPL stock is up roughly 4% over the last 3 months and is up 12.5%. I think it is on an annual basis. There's certainly room for CAPL stock to run, trading at around $20.35 per share. CAPL units need to climb roughly 11% to get to its January 2024 record high of $22.51 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. CrossAmerica Partners LP is a great energy stock that we've been following for a while here at incomeinvestors.com. And that's for a good reason too, because it provides investors with great long-term share price appreciation and reliable inflation-crushing dividend. It reported significantly improved second quarter results, remains well-positioned for the future, and its ultra-high yield dividend is safe too. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.